Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to discuss about a very fantastic update of the YouTube that is very fabulous for us. So friends, we will discuss about this. So I came here, setting, then after it come to permission, then honor is a skyline. So I want to invite someone. So that is my channel which you are seeing, on which how to learn. So friend, when I will put the email of my other channel, so I can I can become a manager, can add and remove other and edit the everything, cannot delete channel. Okay, so we can make a manager. Then when we will talk about the editor, so can edit everything, cannot add or remove others, delete videos or channel, or enter into contacts. Viewer can see everything, can't edit anything. Okay friend, so manager can edit or remove others and add everything, but cannot delete the channel. When we will talk about the editor can edit everything, cannot remove and add anybody. Okay, when we will talk about viewer, so viewer can see everything, cannot edit anything. When we will talk about viewer limited, can see everything, expect revenue information, cannot edit it anything. So friend, if I will make a manager of my this email, I am going to do done. I don't want to waste your time, so here are the 4 options which the new update of YouTube. So I am going to make the manager of this channel, how to learn. Okay, pending invitation. If I will say save, here the notification will come.